Okay, so welcome back a couple of hours later. I'm still processing the tan and we're about to put a face on and head to pictures. I'm gonna go ahead and show, I need to like stop moving around, like it's been like 3 months and I forgot how to film honestly, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys step by step what I'm using on my face. We have an hour till Everleigh wakes up, so we're gonna go ahead and get ready. Okay, so I wanted to say I'm the worst vlogger ever. I did not record one single thing today. Well, actually I did. I'll go ahead and insert a clip right here. After the makeup was done, after I was trying to get ready, time went by so fast that I didn't get any clips in the car. I didn't get any clips really while we were there. And then we went for Mexican food afterwards and margaritas and didn't get any clips there. She is very loud and in control right now. But yeah, now it is currently 6:45 p.m. I'm not sure if you could tell. It's like you could barely tell with her beanie. But it's basically 7 o'clock at night. Let's focus. We just ordered ice cream. It's supposed to snow tonight in Georgia. And we're just gonna have a great girls' night in because daddy's not home right now. So we're just gonna watch sappy love movies, eat some ice cream.
Or do we get ourselves ready for the greatest ass-kicking fiesta in the history of football?
Okay, so obviously it's the next day. It's Monday morning. I'm gonna go ahead and say thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna try my hardest to get back into like a routine and rhythm of posting on YouTube. That's why this video is super short, all over the place, but I did just want to go ahead and get something posted. But thank you so much for watching, you guys, and we'll see you guys next time in a new video. Bye, you guys.